new ELS lip balm. So I already have it in here, and I microwaved it, but I didn't think it was microwaving right. It may just be the speed of my microwave. So it's a little creamy, but I'm just in boiling some water so I can melt it, like have it under hot water. But here is the bottom and the top to it right here, and here's the grit. So grit, and I just use the knife to get the grit out, but you're probably gonna need adult supervision to do that. Yeah, because it's a knife. So if you want to, I didn't think this would be enough to fill up that whole ELS, and I wanted some tint color into it, kind of. So I'm just gonna add in some lip balm I made a while ago into it. I'm just gonna put in some of that lip balm that I made a while ago into it, and I really like this lip balm. It's really tinted, but you know, I'm just gonna get all of that out. And if I don't have enough, I have another EOS that is the same color as this that I can just take out. So that might be enough, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna go get the other one so I can put a little more in. Okay, so here is it's a purple, but like I can't twist it, so I'm not gonna use it, but I may use the container. So just gonna cut the round tip off of it and add it in. And once my water is done, I may need more, may not. I think I added well. You don't need that much lip balm, like, but I have this container the extra lip balm that I have. I probably will add into that because last time I really did have a lot of extra lip balm. I'm just gonna add all of that in there. And the purple is the really dark purple, gonna make it a really light purple. So I'm just gonna check on my boiling water. Okay, so it looks kind of bold. And my point, I'm just gonna put everything away, and I'm gonna get a bowl that kind of has steep edges, and I'm gonna turn off my water. But once I have my water in my bowl, I will come back to you. My boiling water, you can tell it's very hot because there's steam coming from it. So I'm just going to lightly add into my bowl on top of that boiling water, and you will see it start to sweat. And once it starts to sweat, you know it's getting the hang and the melting. But I'm just gonna leave it there until it's all nice and melted. But I'll be back once it's melted. And if you wanted more color into your lip balm, it's already starting to melt like in here, but it's not fully melted. But if you wanted more color, I have a little Crown, which is mainly Crown lipstick, but these are the non-toxic brand. So you just want to take this and you can add in, I'm just going to add in little livers of them, like little teeny pieces.
Little livers. Oh.
Oh. So I'm just going to add in little teeny bits and teeny little bits. So yeah, I'll be back when it's all melted. If you wanted to make it more of a lighter creamy color, then you should just take a little bit of a cream Crown and cut it. Not that much, just to make sure it has enough brass, you know, like how do I say this? Really, but like if you can tell, here, if you can tell, it's actually melting pretty good. Yeah, melting it's melting pretty good right now, but yeah. So I'm just gonna keep letting this melt until every single crown, you know, until everything is mainly done and then. Now you really need really hot water. So if your water's starting to cool down, dump a little out. Dump a little out and add a little bit more hot water around the side. And then it will start, it'll really start to melt really fast, if you can tell. And mine is like almost to a consistency where it's creamy. But if you, the more you stir it, the faster it will melt. But here's what it's looking like right now. A little thick, creamy, kind of, but you need to keep it in this hot water. Don't bring it up just to, like, you know, don't bring it up just to, stir it. So everything is melted but them crowns. Them crowns are gonna take a lot more to melt. So you're gonna need to leave it in there until all the crowns are melted. So I'll be back when the crowns are melted. Okay, so I'm back and it is pretty creamy and darn smooth. Like this, look at this, that's pretty creamy for, you know, a lip balm. So I was using the red container, if you remembered. I'm gonna get at the top and I'm gonna gently hit the bowl and move the bowl hopper and hurry up and take it and pour it in there until it reaches the little line. Then add on your grate. And once your grate is on, you want to finish adding that lip balm. Fold it up, clean it up, and there it is. And you just want to put it in the freezer for about 1 to 2 hours. And if you really want it firm, you could, if you want it that firm. Now the extra lip balm around the sides, it's really cool. They're that creamy, but yeah. So that is mainly it for how to make an EOS lip balm. But I'll see you next time. Have a good day.